Labor Day is right around the corner, so we are in the kitchen here with Chef Lady Wren, cooking up some foods that won't weigh you down. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me. Well, and guess what? So Labor Day celebration of we work all year long really hard. So we don't want to be spending more time cooking and preparing a lot. So what we're going to do today is make some recipes that's quick and easy, of course, delicious and healthy. And guess what? I'm going to give you and Becca the day off from
That's good. From slaving away in the kitchen.
From slaving away in the kitchen, yes. So I'll walk you quickly through what I'm making today. And these are my spinach dip wraps.
Yum.
Then we're gonna make some, what I call my chef salad kebabs.
Okay.
And I'm gonna finish up over there, ladies, with a jalapeno blackberry margarita.
Party.
She's spoiling us.
So
Absolutely.
all healthy. We're even eating and then drinking our fruits and vegetables.
Great.
So I'm going to show you how to put this together.
Okay.
So a lot of people love spinach dip.
Sure.
So, you know, spinach and
Spinach and
artichoke.
artichoke.
Yes. So here is what I do to make mine lighter. Rather than using the sour cream and the cream cheese that I use, full-fat Greek yogurt.
Oh.
And you can still add some of your mozzarella cheese, Parmesan, whatever you like.
Okay.
So you still have that, but it's lighter.
Sure.
And then I put my spinach and I add roasted bell peppers, red bell peppers.
Interesting.
And if you're like me and you like water chestnuts,
Ooh.
I add that in as well.
Interesting.
Yes, so it gives you that
Okay.
crunch. And this is how you would put it together. You make your mixture.
Spread it out on the
And you
tortilla.
put your Lady Wren Chef's
Of
Blend
course.
seasoning because then you don't need all of the other things
Sure.
to spice it up with.
Okay.
So yes, so you will do this. And
Out of the way so we can see your action.
sure.
Okay.
And you and Becca can give a try if you'd like, but I'll tell
Okay.
you what you're eating. So
I'm excited. I love these little
yeah,
kind of rolls.
rolls. And so once you spread this around here, then you will roll your tortilla. Wrap this in plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours so it firms up.
Okay.
Then you slice them into these little
Yum.
wraps.
So good.
And you just put it
Perfect little bite to bring to
perfect
a
little
Labor Day
bite.
party.
Yes.
People can walk around, pick it up.
Absolutely. And then the next thing we do is we could make your salad on a stick.
Oh.
And this one is so fun. So you have your skewer, wooden skewer. So I'll show you a little trick because we're going to start with a crouton. You would think,
Ooh,
it's going
that's
to be
hard.
Right. So some of them may break, but I'll tell you something. When I was trying this out, see, it goes in quickly, right? My mom, when I was little, she said to me, I was ironing, she goes, in life, never let anything rule you. You rule it.
Oh, there you
So
go.
I was with this crouton and I go, I'm going to rule you. So I thought, if I coat the croutons first, then it becomes easier to thread them when we're putting the salad
Don't let
together.
that crouton intimidate you.
So once you do that, then you would layer. And as you can see, I have here the cucumber, I have
There you
lettuce,
go.
and I have turkey. So you can put whatever you like. You got the idea, right?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
So this is the good part about having the crouton. At the beginning, you pour the hole. So when you're ready, you're not fighting with it to the end.
Okay.
So, and that's where
good
you have this. So the other good thing about when you make your spinach dip, many uses. You can use it as a dressing here.
Oh, okay.
You can use it as a dip there,
Sure.
like I've done there. And if you are grilling chicken, when the chicken is finished grilling, just smother this
Kind of a
over it.
seasoning?
Yes.
Okay.
And then you just put a little bit of Lady Wren Chef's Blend.
And call it a
That brings
day.
out the flavor. Blackberry jalapeno margarita, blackberries, fresh lime juice,
Excited. Thank
and a
you.
jalapeno that you would make a simple syrup with.
Cheers.
And all of the recipes are on my blog, ladywren.com.
Yum.
So good.
Very refreshing.
And it's not spicy, or
But it
it's
has
not
a
peppery.
little something.
That's the jalapeno.
Okay. But you're right, it's not spicy. I think
No.
when people hear jalapeno, they get
They
scared.
get scared. So, but it has like a warmth.
What is on the rim of this glass?
So this is, I use the green decorative sugar.
Oh.
Okay.
It tastes good, doesn't it?
It is very good.
Yeah,
It's almost
yeah.
giving me Christmas vibes.
Right.
Ooh.
See? And sometimes this is how you get fancy rather than
Right.
the regular granulated sugar. Or
Sure.
here's a tip. If you don't have granulated sugar,
Uh-huh.
we can still get this done.
Yeah, okay. I love it. And hey, we also want to mention this is your 10th anniversary of your business.
Oh,
this
yes,
month.
yes.
That's
Lady
exciting.
Wren's Bakery and Book has turned 10 years old.
What have you learned over this decade?
Oh my goodness me, I have learned that persistence and resilience gets you where you are, and you just have to follow your heart, because you're going to hear all of the different voices of
Sure.
what you should and shouldn't do. So a lot of times I'm a rule breaker, and I'm glad
I love that.
I'm glad I broke the rules, because when some people think I'm doing too much and I should only focus on one, I didn't listen.
That's awesome.
And here I am
Frog.
10 years later.
That's great. And you know what? It's working for you.
It's working for me. Yes, yes.
Well, you can come break the rules with us anytime.
Thank you. I like that.
This is delicious.
Yes, it is.
There you go.
All
And
right.
I will definitely be grabbing your cookbook. Definitely putting that in my cart for
Oh,
sure.
For
great.
sure.
Wonderful, wonderful. And then you guys, we got to cook together.
I know.
Yes.
We have a lot to learn.
You have, no, you're getting better.
Oh, we have
Am I? Oh,
You
great.
are. But that's why I thought, you know what, you guys helped me a lot behind the scenes before we get here. So I thought, well, it's Labor Day. You should labor less.
Oh, I love that.
I love that.
All right. Well, thanks so
Oh,
much for being here with
thank you
us.
for
And if people
having
want to
me.
contact you, how can they do that?
LadyRens.com.
Great. All right. Well, thanks so much for being here, and we'll be
Thanks
right
for
back.
having me. Bye.